Hi everyone, welcome to my channel once again. In this video, I'll be taking you through a very simple and easy way to create maps using Excel. So it's very easy, it's very simple. You don't need to go through the route of going to ArcGIS or going through R or whatever it is. You could just create your maps directly using Excel. So in this case now, I want to create a map that will contain the map of the world with these countries. Just make sure that you name your countries appropriately. Let me get this started. Make sure that you name your countries appropriately. So these are the countries of the world and these the CO2 that they emit over time. Okay, so I want to map these, describe these variables in a map format. So what you just need to do is to go to Insert. You go to Insert. Make sure you highlight all the cells, the rows and the column, the cells that are affected in Excel, and then you could go straight to recommended charts, and then because already Excel already recognizes this as countries, it will suggest that you should use a field map. But if it's not there in suggestion, then you go to all maps and then you just go to map and then you still get the field map and you could click on it. When you click on it, you say okay. And here you go. So this is your map. It's trying to import the other data. So it's filled up everything and you could play around with the different kind of shapes or sizes or kind of fonts you want. You put your title here. One thing you could also do is to change the color of change the stars or the color of the legend. For example, you could decide to, if you want maybe yellow, everything goes into this chromatic kind of chromatic arrangement. Or if you want it to just be a single color trend, if you pick yellow, for example, it kind of makes it yellow. If you pick green, it gives you a shade of green. So you could play around with colors here. And so this is one simple way of you could creating maps in Excel using the representing series in Excel in map format. And you could also do that for even at country level. So this is for US, for example, and I want to create a map of the US with the states, and I've named all the states here, and this is the HDI per state. Because these are well named, illustrated, labeled state names. I do the same thing. I go to Insert, go to Recommended Chart. Already it's there for me. You could see. I just click OK, and then it comes out. So this is it. And then you could go through the same process. You could decide to just change whatever you want to change. Then decide to change the colors. Walk around these and decide to walk around this. So that's it. So that's it in terms of creating maps. You could do that for other countries too, the states of any other country, to bring out the shape of those countries, and then it will bring out whatever the map it should be. One thing I want you to note here is that if you look at, there are some gray areas. For example, go back to this. So these gray areas simply means that there are no observations. So no places where you have no observations are described as gray area. And so that's it from me today. I hope you subscribe and like this channel if you find it very useful to get updates on other analysis we'll be doing. Thank you very much for listening.